Yo, we got the Coco Frio on the beach. But let's check out these onion rings right here. But the patty is really big. What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV, and we are still in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and I am going to a spot called L Hamburger. I can see this spot from my window, at least the back of it. My window's way up top there. Last night it was jumping. Yo, this place be jumping. Up until late at night, I could just see cars lined up here. Right here, the natives know. The natives know where to go. People was just driving through, picking up their orders. So let's go over here, man. I smell hamburgers cooking. Y'all know it's about that smoke. When you see the smoke coming up the top, I'm trying to follow all of the smoke. Let's go over here and check out L Hamburger. Here we go, y'all. I got my bags. I'm sitting outside the joint. I am so happy right now that I found this spot. I got my burger here. You know what, the birds are really out here, man. I gotta be cool, right? First, we're gonna go into these onion rings, man. Let's check out these onion rings right here. The chicken is walking over here. Look at that. Look at that onion. Wow. These are some good onion rings, y'all. I ain't even put no ketchup on them yet. I just scared the chicken. You look like he about to bust the mood on and get me. Y'all gotta see the chicken. Those are some good onion rings. Sometimes onion rings have like that chemical taste. These taste really fresh, man. Look at that onion ring. All right. Now, I gotta see what this is, man. I don't know what this is the burger. The burger is small. I got some other stuff in here. I don't know what it is, but check out this burger, y'all. I said the burger is small, but the patty is really big. Look at that patty, man. Look at that patty right there. Oh my goodness, got the bacon on it. Oh, look at it, look at it. That joker heavy, man. It's a little bit bigger than the White Castles, but the burger, you see the burger is like an inch, man. It's an 1.5 inch, right? See that burger? It's official, y'all. I didn't put nothing on that burger. It's charbroiled, delicious looking. Look at this chicken right here. Y'all thought this was a game. The birds are trying to creep up on me. The chicken's right there. Get back out of here. The chicken's getting mighty close, man. I just had to show y'all. Y'all thought I was joking about the chickens and the birds. And everybody trying to bust a move all at once. Yeah, I'm gonna put some ketchup on it this time. There's a lot of things in this bag. I don't really have the table to lay it out because I've learned my lesson with the birds. Here in San Juan, Puerto Rico, look at that burger, man. This bird better get back. Look at this. Get back. I had to pick him that time. Had to shoe him. All right, y'all, here we go. Get that ketchup out there like that. Look at this, man. Look at that burger. That is a fat burger. Last time I seen a fat burger like this, I was in New Orleans. This is one good burger. I need more water though. That's a grilled burger, man. It tastes like it was made on the barbecue. It tastes like it was made on the barbecue grill. That's a piece of that bacon right there though. Look at that bacon. There's something else in here. I gotta see what it is. I don't know what this is right here. It comes in this little aluminum foil. It feels a little chilly though. Oh, salad. It's the salad and the pickles. So I should have put that on my burger, y'all. Let's see what I can do here. I'm gonna put some pickles on it. I'm gonna put a couple of these pickles right in the middle there. And then we're gonna put some onions on there. I love raw onions, man, on hamburgers. I'm gonna just take the heart. That's a lot of onion right there. I'm gonna just pack the onion right on top. Put that bread back on there. Also, I asked for mayo. I didn't see any mayo. I don't see any mayonnaise. I did ask for mayo. But there's salt, pepper, and ketchup in here. The burger broke all apart, just FYI. I should have put the salad on it first. I do want some more pickles on it though. And maybe a few more onions. I love raw onions on my burger. Ain't no one bird gonna stop no show. Or two birds in the chicken. Look. See all them people standing back there? Some of them come and they're taken out. So they go in and order, then come and stand outside, and then they'll call your name once your order's ready. I'm gonna be totally honest and transparent. When I saw the size of this burger on the grill, I was like, whoa, that's a lot of meat. This was delicious. I'm glad I came here. That's all I got left right there, y'all. But they thought this was a game. Oh, a little piece of bacon on there too. That's it, man. L Hamburger con queso. Let me eat the rest of these pickles. That's when y'all know I'm having fun eating. When I start acting crazy. Still is just chilling. He's like facing the street now. He just flew away. Just how everything's going out here, man. We're out here. People are sitting inside. I'm sitting outside. People waiting for their food. Here at L Hamburger. If you're ever in the San Juan area, definitely come check them out. We'll put the address down there. We'll put the address right down there. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Love all of y'all. Peace. On to the next one. just took a walk, right, from L Hamburger. I had to burn that burger off, man. It was so delicious, right? I just walked all the way from that way over there. And then actually that tall building over here, you guys can see where I'm standing right there. That's where the Airbnb is. And now I'm about to go down here and get some coconut juice, man, because I just want something sweet, but don't want to get like a bunch of sugar. Y'all saw I drank that water, man, back at L Hamburger. So I'm gonna go down here by the beach, get some coconut juice. Let's go. All right, here we go. Yo, I should climb up there and get my own coconuts, huh? What y'all think? I ain't climbing up there. What kind of monkey y'all think this is going on here? Over there to the left, look like some type of Christmas amusement park. Uh-oh, somebody smoking that happy stuff. Either that or a skunk just passed gas. Let's go see what's up, man. I saw the coconut juice man down here. So we're gonna get some agua de coco. They got restrooms here on the beach, just FYI. Showers. You wanna come take a shower, bring your soap. All right, he got music playing here, man. So we're gonna have to get it and run. All right, that's it right there. About to get some Coco Frio. Oh, which one I go? What? Make me. If you are going to want a whole coconut, you have to drink it all in front of the tent. Oh wow, for real? Oh, he got a little dance and everything for y'all. Hey, here we go, y'all. We got it. Yo, we got the Coco Frio on the beach, but I gotta let y'all know I've already tasted, and there's no Frio in here, man. It ain't cold. Did you like it? Yeah. Huh? It's decent. Yeah. Just not cold. What'd you get? Okay. Yeah. But it's cold. Yours got ice in it. Yeah. This is gonna run me to the bathroom. All right, y'all. I'm out. I'm here at the Go-Go spot. Let me sit down, relax, and drink this, man. I'll see y'all at the next one.